Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2020 Cadillac XT5. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 6-cylinder, 3.6-liter engine, and comes with a 9-speed automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, remote engine start, active grille shutters, traction control, stability control, ambient lighting, power brakes, braking assist. Inside you'll find airbags, driver, knee, heated steering wheel, electronic messaging assistance with read function, capless fuel filler system, cruise control, cargo area 12-volt power outlet, child safety locks, multifunction display, one-touch windows, 4 tachometer. Your new ride is just a phone call away.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.